Hey there, fixers. So today we're gonna be resetting the oil life on a 2018 Honda CR-V. So I didn't know how to do it, so I just learned right now. So basically, you could be in any screen right there. Um, that's to change the radio. You could put FM, AM, everything. So what you're gonna do is go to this buttons right here. So you're gonna press this one right here, and it's gonna change over there. So you want it to go to the wrench. It could be any of these right here. This is how you change it. You want the wrench. You press enter, and right there it was at 30%, but I just reset it right now. But how to reset it is you hold the enter button. You hold it until it pops up another screen underneath. Right there. So now it says that has B, item 1, item 2, item 3. It has like 5 of them, I think. But I'm just gonna do items. Right there. All do items. You press enter. And that's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe.